people done with lunch. So now snacks time. So I'm gonna walk for a block because I really like the, oh no, it's not even there, probably 2 blocks away. There is an apple tree that I really like. Although I'm not a fruity person, pero ito, ano siya, tawag dito, hindi siya maasim. Hindi siya maasim, tapos medyo mapakla-pakla, which is I like. Pero nung mga ganito pa lang siya, ganyan, gusto ko na siya. Pero ganito na siya. Yeah, I'll show you. Alright. 2 blocks away. 2 blocks more. Yan guys, malapit na siya. Ayan na siya. So actually yan, ito yung apple tree na to, yung sa left side niya. Ayan o, red na siya, lumalaki na siya. Look at that. See? Lumalaki na siya. But this one, even they're as small as this. Yeah, even they're still small as this. This variety of apple is really good. It's not sour. Hindi na rin siya mapakla. Kasi nung sobrang tiny pa siya, medyo mapakla. Pero I don't mind. Gusto ko medyo mapakla actually. Yan. Ito medyo malaki na. Even this, ganyan siya kaliit. Hindi siya mapakla. Pero ngayon, medyo malaki na. Yung kabaling side niya, I'm not sure. Yung kalahati niya, malaki na. Oh, so this is really good. Let's get one more. Really good. So this is what I do every day. So I stock it in my purse. Pinupuno ko siya, tapos nauubos ko. Yeah, I'm weird. Pag maliit silang ganito, I can finish it. Pero pag malalaki, hindi ako masyadong kumakain. Pero pag maliit, na-enjoy ko. Lord bless the owner of this apple. I wanna ask permission, but there's no one outside. But they don't really mind. They don't really mind. Okay, so let me start. See that? There. Here. Yeah, straight there. Ay, parang natakot ako. Parang may nag-bark. So, I wish I'm more comfortable kung I can ask permission. But honestly, they don't really mind, right?